Hey guys, good morning. So I really don't want to hold this camera up right now because yesterday I worked on my arms a little bit and they're kind of sore, like right up here, and it's painful. We got day 2 of keto going on right now. I wanted to document this because I thought it was so strange. First of all, I know I'm not going to get like immediate results with keto because that's not how keto works. You have to get into the state of ketosis when your body starts using fat instead of carbs. So I understand there's obviously not going to be any kind of results today, but I did want to mention that I weighed myself this morning and I weighed the exact same way as I did yesterday morning. Like my body just didn't know what to do with the food that I ate. Like it was weird because I weighed the exact same, and normally I am either up a little or down a little. Like it's not consistent through 2 days. It's never the same between 2 days. So I don't know, maybe my body got all that fat in me and was like, what is happening? We'll just stay the same for now. We don't know what's going on. I don't think I'm gonna bump down my calories today. Maybe a little, but that was odd. That was so odd. That was different. Weighing the exact same as yesterday morning. It's strange. I'm gonna go and make some breakfast, take a photo, let you know if it's good or not. Maybe I'll do like a rating. I'll do like a 5 stars every time I have a meal. Okay, so it's snack time now. I just made these cheese crisps. And they're like really easy to make. You just put cheese on a pan and you're done. And now I'm dipping it in even more cheese. This is sour cream with some seasoning. So this is my snack for today. I really felt like I had to tell you this because I feel like I messed up on keto right now. So I was reading a lot about some things. Ooh.
It'd be scary if that just opened. But anyway, okay, I'm scared.
Hey guys, I'm over here now. It's super echoey, this is awkward. I was reading a lot about keto, and something that happens when you're like a beginner is you can typically get like a keto flu, which is basically you don't have the right minerals and vitamins, and you don't have enough electrolytes to compensate for this new diet. So I was over here thinking I was cool and eating these vitamin gummies, like a daily vitamin, vitamin supplement, thinking, okay, well then I should probably take something like this. And then I also took some omega-3 like krill oil, because omega-3s are really important to have in your diet when you're doing ketosis. What I'm saying here is that the gummies that I had were basically all carbs and sugar. It was 6 grams of carbs per serving, which was 3 gummies, and then it was 2 grams of sugar. And I know when you're doing ketosis, you're not supposed to have any kind of sugar because your body's like, oh sure, let's use that, yeah, instead of using the fat that's on you. I'm still going to continue with this keto. I just wanted to say that I might have made a little fluff up today by taking that, so I don't think I'm gonna take that again tomorrow. I might have another little snack after dinner. It just depends on how my calories are going, because I count my calories. I have to count my calories, or else I don't do things right if I don't count my calories. So I'll see you again later. Bye. Day 2 of keto is finally done. I think I went slightly over my calories for the day. We'll see tomorrow how that affects this whole shindig, what's going on. Today was an absolutely delicious day, like 5 out of 5. Most of these things are 5 out of 5 stars, so that's great for me. Don't forget to like this video so more people can see my body transformation with this 1 week of keto. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow with day 3 of keto. Let's go. Bye. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life.